Hi, my name is Renee and I'm from Aviation Nation, which is an aviation enthusiast group on Facebook. I would like to take the time to introduce my Part 1 series into mechanical keyboards and their uses for flight sim enthusiasts. In this episode, I will be removing the Cherry mechanical keys from the Razer Black Widow. However, the process is pretty much the same for all mechanical keyboards. For those who don't know, the Black Widow uses Cherry Blue MX keys, which are keys that make a clicking sound when you press on them. To open the keyboard, you will need a screwdriver as well as a soldering iron. Apart from that, it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy, and I've never done it before, and I was able to start doing this myself, so I think anybody out there should be able to start doing the same thing if they wish to do so. To start with, I begin turning the keyboard over onto its face and to remove the screws holding the face in place. On the Razer Black Widow there is 6 screws. You'll have to remove the black covers on the corners, rubber covers, which can be put back on with double-sided tape. But there are also another 2 screws hidden behind plastic caps which are easily to be removed. Then after that you will have to remove the case by prying it away very slowly. If you don't want to break it, it is breakable, and there are plastic clips on the inside of the case holding it in place. But I was able to do it without breaking the case, so it's pretty easy to do if you take your time. Then you will need to start unscrewing more screws that are actually holding the keyboard board in place, the circuit board. Can't remember how many there were, but just unscrew them and the actual board will come loose and you'll be able to take it out of the rear of the back case. Once removed, just take the back case and get it out of the way, and you'll be ready to start soldering. So now you want to start heating your soldering iron up, because the next part's soldering. You have to just pull the key off from the one you choose to start with. There's a plastic keycap, whatever letter number you start with, pull that off first, and then behind the key you will see two soldering spots per key, mechanical key. You need to start heating those spots up using your soldering iron, and with the other screwdriver push on a little black there's a little black plug coming through, which you push on that to help free the key, and once done you've removed your Cherry Blue key from your Razer Black Widow keyboard. Thank you very much, and stay in touch for my next series, which will explain how to extend the keys and then to solder them back into the board to make a home cockpit, which I will be doing, which is a 747 home cockpit. Thank you very much.